In this video, I'm going to give you very interesting information about the first 3D printed office building. So here is the question. Where is the world's first 3D printed office building? I repeat again. The interesting question is, where is the world's first 3D printed office building? And here is the option for the answer. Tokyo, Dubai, New York City, or Seoul. And the answer for the question is which one? Tokyo, Dubai, New York City, or Seoul? The answer is Dubai. It is located in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.